So you want to buy one of these great cars? Today I'm going to tell you about the order process in Australia with my experience ordering a Tesla Model 3. So you're thinking about ordering a Tesla. Have you had a test drive yet, or are you just watching YouTube videos? Do yourself a favour, go to the Tesla website and schedule a test drive. Put in your details and I'll give you a location and a choice of times, and it's well worth the effort. For us, we drove an hour or so up from Wollongong to Alexandria. We had a test drive, we had about 45 minutes in the car, and when we were done, we were certain that we wanted to buy this car. If, however, you find yourself in a location that's not close enough to a Tesla showroom, then you might like to try something like EV, where you can rent other people's cars and maybe have a few days, which is better than 45 minutes, to get an idea of whether you'd like to buy a Tesla. When you order, make sure you start your order with a referral link. You can't add it later, and it would be a shame to miss out on free supercharger credits. The order process is very easy. It reminds me a lot of ordering a laptop from Apple. The terms of the order are the most flexible I've ever come across with a car. The only risk is the $150 deposit you pay on the order. You can cancel right up until the car is transferred into your name. The finance options are under contract to Tesla. You can always switch providers if the one you've chosen is not responsive. Now, once you've placed your order, you might find yourself checking your Tesla account for updates. Don't hold your breath on that. Tesla have great products, but they're just not great in communications. So I'd highly recommend the Vita Prime Tesla tracking service. This is something that doesn't cost you very much, and he does a lot of work for you in terms of trying to figure out where your car is in the world, what ship it's on. And here's an example of the sort of information that you'll get from Vita Prime. This, however, is the message that you'll be waiting for. This means that your Tesla is ready to be picked up and you can schedule a time to go in. Finally, when I log into my Tesla account now, there's a bit of useful information in that it has my delivery appointment. You'll notice my account still says that they're drafting my invoice, which is a bit of a joke given that I'd paid that many weeks ago. A fun thing to do while you're in the waiting room is to pull up your Tesla app. Your car should hopefully show up there. You can see mine's here with a grand total of 6 kilometers as I'm waiting to pick it up. Don't expect too much fanfare when you actually pick up your car. You'll be shown to your car, given a quick run through, pair your phone to the car as a key, quick chance to ask any questions, and then you'll be on your way. I hope you've enjoyed that overview of ordering a Tesla in Australia. If you do order one, I'd appreciate it if you could use my referral code. Regardless, I hope you enjoy your car as much as I enjoy mine.